These are the ghetto rollers representing Zimbabwe. Yeah, man. So me say party, party. When we step in at the place, we say party. Anyway, when you there, we say party. Ghetto youth with a different party.
So me say party, party. When we step in at the place, we say party. Anyway, when you there, you say party. Ghetto youth come up with a different
party. So me say the party, step out, tese takananga danzi. Feka, atire kwali ufanzi. Tweka, cause ndo farira madanzi. Yeah. Ini ndo da party zoto temeka msoro. Kano chida party weekend lika po tomorrow. Ini zema party ndikasitangira uchoro. Musa tenge nyati non temesa msoro.
So me say party. When we step in at the place, we say party. Anyway, when you there, we say party. Ghetto youth with a different party.
So me say party, party. When we step in at the place, we say party. Anyway, when you there, you say party. Ghetto youth come up with a different party. So me say party, party. When we step in at the place, we say party. Anyway, when you there, you say party. Ghetto youth come up with a different party.
Sama bia, levo ratochinja magia. Puliti ngoma radzia. Sema dare guru tino uya ne mafia. Usasia juzi, tanjira kupisa mjakuzi. Hakutamba ja kupendeza msana. Urungira kuno, chukucha chuno. Kumba kuno uya kuno ngoma rangu wanzi pulo. Atibude zisati zapera muno.
So we say party. When we step in at the place, we say party. Anyway, when you there, we say party. Ghetto youth with a different party.
So me say party, party. When we step in at the place, we say party. Anyway, when you there, you say party. Ghetto youth come up with a different party.
We are nema Hennessy, nema vodka. And icha gono garandiri sopa. We are ne beer when in the order. Tafarira kwese ma city takaloka.
We don't non-stop, I'm satimati. Logistic when we are bouncing. Kushike mwere tapisa mabachi. Medusa king the fake Versace. When we say party,
party. When we step in at the place, we say party. Anyway, when you there, we say party. Ghetto youth with a different party.
So me say party, party. When we step in at the place, we say party. Anyway, when you there, you say party. Ghetto youth come up with a different art.